Today we are going to discuss about types of cell in multicellular organism. Types of cell. There are three types of cells in multicellular organism. First one is undifferentiated cell. Cell which are having a capability to divide, to undergo division, and these cells are unspecialized cell. Okay, they are not specialized now, and they are not going to perform any particular task. Like if this is a cell and it is unspecialized cell, undifferentiated cell, it is no undifferentiated cell, it is going to divide. It will divide into the cell which is going to take any particular function. Like this cell is a stem cell and this is undifferentiated. It has capability to divide into more than many types of cell performing many different tasks. Like leukocyte, it is going to form leukocytes, white blood cells, that is WBC, or RBC. So these are now specialized cell. Okay, RBC has a function of taking hemoglobin and doing all that oxygen transportation, and WBC it will work in defense. So these are going to be known as specialized cell, and this is unspecialized cell. It doesn't have any specialized function. It can form as many cell by doing division. So this is undifferentiated cell. So undifferentiated cell means unspecialized cell. Okay, now this is differentiated cell. Those cell which becomes specialized is known as differentiated cells. Now when differentiated cell revert back to undifferentiated state, for example, we are going to take some cell, differentiated cell, and we are going to use it as in our culture, in a kind of animal cell culture, and it will form many other cell. So now this differentiated cell, you will say it has become undifferentiated cell, means it has capability to divide and to form a specialized cell. So we can simply say dedifferentiated cells are those cells which become undifferentiated cell from differentiated cells. When differentiated cell revert back to undifferentiated form, it is known as dedifferentiation. Okay, so there are three types of cell. We are going to see this. For example, this is a stem cell, zygote. Differentiated cells are like muscle cell or your root, shoot, stem. These are differentiated cell, and dedifferentiated cells are you can see in regeneration in plant and animals. All the specialized cell will become unspecialized and will form new cell. So it is dedifferentiation example. Now let us see one more thing about cell. We have often heard that cell is an open system. Let me explain this. Cell is an open system. This topic is also seen in syllabus of BSc Biotechnology. Let me explain what is system. System is an area concerned, or you can say particular location wherever the reaction is taking place. For example, if this is a test tube, so in this test tube you are adding solvent, then here the reaction will occur, it will get mixed up and it will form whatever. So this is known as system, and the surrounding environment is known as surrounding, system and surrounding, and both together will form universe. Okay, there are three types of system: open, closed, and isolated system. Open system is those system which is going to exchange energy and matter. Closed system is those system which will exchange energy but not matter. And isolated systems are those systems which will neither exchange energy nor matter. So it is isolated system. Okay. Now we say that cell is an open system. How we can say that cell is an open system? Cell requires energy, and it obtained its energy from the nutrient molecule, and this nutrient molecule is taken from environment. Okay. Now whenever it will respire, it's going to release heat, so it exchanges energy also, and it takes nutrient also from outside, and it releases heat also. It will release heat energy, so it means that it's going to exchange both matter also and energy also. Therefore cell is an open system. Thank you.